She sucks.
And I thought it burned before we did it. Nice work, check out these people and give me their celebrity look-alike. This guy has a strong look. Everywhere I go, people say I look like. He looks like the guy from the Guinness Book of World Records who wore 4 collars once.
Keith?
I'm not racist, but...
Sure.
Alright, let's see who he thinks he looks like. Harrison Ford. That's what you were thinking? That's what she was thinking.
He might look like Harrison Ford if he got crushed by the boulder in Indiana Jones.
Joking around had to be Solange. Jay Ford back. I gotta give it to Josh. Josh, you're first. We're gonna get some folks from the crowd into the action, and one of these three gets eliminated. Stay right here.
Are you vegan? Yeah, what? And I punch like a carnivore.
I didn't know if there's anything in your past that can bite us in the ass on the campaign.
Oh, yeah, I'm a werewolf.
Nope. No one's perfect.
The different stories of Misfits and Monsters start July 11th. Whether you're a diehard for the dogs or out for the Hawks, everyone can agree on Motel 6. All on a network that covers 99%
That's
of
for
people
anymore,
in the
bro.
U.S. Switch now and get 4 lines for $100, period.
Thank you.
No, look at this.